Check out these Instagram models, this, and this. They're actually not real people, they're all created by AI. You can also create your own Instagram influencer account like this. In this video, I'll guide you through the whole process of creating a hyper-realistic Instagram influencer profile. So, make sure you watch the video till the end, and don't miss any part. Let's get started. First, we'll make a picture of someone who isn't real. To do this, I'll use Leonardo AI. After logging in, go to the Feature Models section and choose Photoreal. Click on View More to see more pictures. Now, pick a realistic image that you want to use as a model for your Instagram account. Always choose a picture where the person is looking right at the camera, like this one. I'll choose this picture. But we won't use it exactly as is. We'll create a new character. To do this, click on the Remix button. Now, delete the old prompt and enter a new prompt. I will put my prompt in the description box for your help. Now, hit the Generate button. You can see the outcome. This girl looks very real, but she doesn't actually exist in the real world. Once you're happy with it, you can save the image from here. Let's go to our next step, gather your target images. We need more pictures for our Instagram account. Having only 1 or 2 pictures isn't enough for our influencer account. For this, we will go to cart.ai. This is a free AI image generator. Here, we will select some of our target images. Step 3. Download some reels from the Instagram account. First, find an Insta account that has enough reels. Now, download some reels using any free Instagram downloader. There are plenty on the internet. Step 4. Image creation through face swapping. To do this, go to faceswapper.ai. For using this, there is no need for login or any Discord account. We will swap faces between our downloaded images and Leonardo-generated images. Click here to upload your image, which we download from Instagram. Click here on this plus button to add our Leonardo image. And click Swap Face Now button. Perfect. Download the result from here. Create all our images like this. Now, we have images for our Insta account. But what about Reels? An influencer account must have Reels to get more followers. For this, we will swap the face of the videos which we downloaded from Instagram. And, to do this, we will use reface.ai. I will put the link in the description below. When you click the given link, you will come to this page. Here, you need to click on Drop Your Content here, and upload your video. It will take some time to upload. Once it is uploaded, you will come to this page, where you need to add the face that we generated from Leonardo. Again, wait for some time. And then select your face from here. Again, wait for some time. And it's done. Perfect. Now generate more videos like this. But, it's not a free tool, you will get only 5 tokens for free. Now, the last step, create your influencer account on Insta, and upload all your reels and images. That's all for today. And, please let me know in the comments section how you found this tutorial. See you in the next video.